This is a really cool battle and I can't wait to watch it with you guys. So, context, China doesn't have a ton of representation at the top of the breaking world, but as of last year, a couple b-boys have really been breaking out into the scene. X-Rain is one of them, and so they invited him to the World Finals. He's going up against Mighty Jake, who is just crazy power. This is the first time that both of them are competing in the World Finals, so the pressure is immense. All right, so X-Rain's going for it.
Let's go.
On the world stage, with the hot lights and all these eyeballs in front of you, especially when it's someone's first time, going 3 rounds can be really difficult. They're gonna bring it in rounds 1 and 2, but it'll depend on who can last the longest. Wow, change of direction. Wow, clean 2000s. X-Rain's making fun of power heads like Mighty Jake. The stereotype is that they just spin in one direction, they don't change directions. So he's going like, oh, you're just hopping from hand to hand. Let's see what Mighty Jake's got. First time on the world stage, you gotta bring it. Are the nerves gonna get to you, or are you gonna execute strong? Whoa, one arm air flare, and he's just hopping up. Whoa, that is so difficult. Damn, that arm is so strong. Whoa. He just hopped on one hand while spinning and then threaded his leg through. Oh my God, that is so hard. Whoa. X-Rain had more diversity in that round, but I think Mighty Jake just blew him out of the water. He's still keeping up his pace. Whoa! That was a good variation. Ah, I like that. Wow. X-Rain is keeping his pace, and the vocabulary is really strong. If he can keep that into round 3, I think he might have a good chance. Unless Mighty Jake can keep executing crazy difficult moves like that, which he might. Mighty Jake is saying everything's scripted. Back on that one arm. Wow, slow air flares with your legs straight. Whoa, back of the, oh my God, and he didn't even fall out of it. What the fuck? Yo, this guy's executing like crazy right now. Wow. X-Rain's rounds have way more content in them, but Mighty Jake keeps executing some nuts moves and just makes you forget about X-Rain's rounds. Such a cool exchange. It puts a lot of pressure on X-Rain to keep his pace up because he needs to be memorable here. Wow, he's so quick. Those little pumps he does in between traditional power add so much flavor. Solid round. Under normal circumstances, he'd be really hard to beat, but I think Mighty Jake's just having bigger moments here. Not as many moments in this round. Yeah, I would give that last round to X-Rain, but I think Mighty Jake edged him out in rounds 1 and 2. Oh, they're both so happy. First time on the world stage, it's gotta feel so cool.
Boys, that was the
All right, let me know who you guys have in the comments. If you have other battle requests, just let me know. Drop a like, helps out a lot. Subscribe, and watch another battle. I'll see you guys in the next battle. See you. Bye.